Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. So in today's video, we're going to be installing the ESR touchscreen car phone mount for my Tesla Model 3. Now you could install this in any Tesla model. So let's unbox this. So let's open up the box, see what we got inside. So I purchased this off of Amazon. I'll link the product in the description after the installation. Let's open this up and see what we got in the box. So right here, as you guys can see, you have the QR code if you want to watch the video that they provide, and some instructions right here. So we'll put that aside, and the box is like so. So right here, let's check out what else we got. So this looks pretty self-explanatory. This would probably be number one in here. Alright, so step one is going to be some cleaning wipes. So we're going to clean the area where we're going to install the mount. So that's going to be right behind my screen, and I'm going to install it on my side, which is going to be the driver's side. So I'm going to open up the wipe right now and clean up this whole back area right here. Make sure everything is clean so when we do attach it, it holds well. So I'm just going to clean up the whole screen, might as well. Alright, so since the back of the screen is clean, step two, as you guys can see, we're going to remove this part right here. And we're going to have the adhesive right here. So what we're going to do is remove this like so, and then basically we're going to align this edge with the screen like this, and then press towards the screen like so. Now that the mount is attached to the screen, we're just going to slide this to the left, so basically like that. Now we got this part right here where we're going to twist it open to take it apart from the cardboard piece that it's connected to. Alright, so this little piece is going to go on like this, and then we're going to put this onto the ball, and then we're going to twist it from the back side to tighten this. Alright, so this back side, if you twist it this way, you're going to open it up, and you could pull this way, change it up, any position that you would like. So I'm going to set it up like this. This is the way that I want it. I'm going to tighten this, and then after I tighten it, I could remove this sticker right here like that. Beautiful. Alright guys, and just like that, the phone is connected to the mount. Looks really nice. I set it up in this way, but you can rotate it any way you'd like. Alright guys, so if you want to buy yourself this product, I'll drop an Amazon link in the description of the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, drop a comment, and put a thumbs up for this video. I'll catch all of you guys on the next one. Peace.